Hey, what's the situation? Are we winning?
Can't you see? It's bad. You better say your prayers.
Where are you then, bastards?
I know you are hungry, boys, but the logistics messed up and we have to save our rations. Just calm down. Sergeant! Oh, sir. How can I help you? How are the boys hanging? It's all good, sir. Did you fix that radar, Private? Oh no, sir. We have problems with parts. Then get some new parts. Damn it. Yes, sir.
Captain!
What?
Someone is approaching.
It's a trap.
Hey, don't shoot. We need help. We are scouts, sir.
Yeah, come in. Good job, soldier.
Thank you, sir.
What the hell is going on, soldier? Why are you here?
We are scouts, sir. And I have to inform you that the Tans are planning to attack this outpost, but we don't know how.
Bullshit. We are far away from the front line. Anyway, we are ready for everything. Now move. Get your ass to the gate.
Whatever, sir. I'm going. Hey, I have to help you with garden.
Have you seen any Tans?
Yeah, a lot.
Fuck! I'm ready for them.
Mom!
Shut the fuck up!
Mommy!
Damn, I love this job.
Mommy!
Huh?
Mommy? Is that you?
Yes, honey. Now mommy will put you to sleep.
Hey, Johnny!
What?
Come on, we gotta go! This place is about to be bombed!
Shit.
Fuck! I gotta die in this shithole!
Hey! Are you okay?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
Good. Read every man. Now get some ammo and... Incoming!
Hold on, boys. Wait for the tank to clear the path. Then we can jump in.
Cover! Open fire!
Now, move. Kill them all.
What the hell? Holy shit, everybody get down!
is this guy?
Doesn't matter. Shoot him.
Jesus, plastic Christ. Spread out and search for survivors.
There's no way someone survived this bombing.
God damn, they just ripped them apart. At least the howitzer is in good condition.
We got one. Get the engineers here. Now!
1, 2, 3. Oh my god, I'm dying.
Frank, what the hell happened here?
It hurts.
What are you waiting for? Give him some morphine. Now, is there anything else I can do for you?
You remember what you promised to me? You know what to do. Go on!
Yes. I remember.
Then do it, soldier! What are you waiting for?
Now you see what we are dealing with. I want you to do the same thing with me when it's necessary. But before that, I'm going to shoot as many tans as I can. Now move!
Sir, can I ask you something?
Go on, Corporal.
Did you know that man, Frank?
Yes, I knew him. What is the deal, Corporal Butcher?
Sir, I thought...
You thought what? We are soldiers, and soldiers are dying. End of story. This is it. Listen up. I'm taking Alpha Squad, and we take the left flank. You and Bravo, go right. We gotta get rid of these obstacles. Move!
Got it.
We need covering fire! We're stuck in here! Where the hell is that AD gunner? Now, let's go! Throw up the fences now!
Fire in the hole! Are you okay?
Thanks. I owe you one. Looks like we made it.
Hey, wait! We are your prisoners of war. You can't just shoot us.
Hey, what the fuck is going on here? Leave something for me, boys.
No! No! No!
What's wrong? That's a souvenir.
Good job, gentlemen. We kicked their asses. We are going to spend the night here. Now, dig some foxholes, get some rest, and eat something warm. We are moving tomorrow.
Holy shit! Did you see what Butcher did? No, what happened? Tell us. I bet this psycho took out his machete, am I right? He just chopped 10 head off. Hey! Who's there?
Take it easy, boys. It's me, Shadow.
I'll be damned! What are you doing here? Come on, get in. Brisket would like to see you.
That's a lot of equipment. But most important is that the whiskey barrels are full. Would you have a drink, Corporal?
With pleasure, sir. We're gonna have some R&R.
Shadow, I can't believe it.
Yeah, me too. But listen, I got some interesting information. I made some recon and I discovered something really serious. Tans are holding secret base with missile launchers and 800mm cannon 5 miles to the north. Now, I need you to support my squad while we are sabotaging the base. You just have to attack from the front and take the guards on you. Can I count on you?
You got it, my friend. Just let us know when you are ready, and we will commence the attack from the north. Can't wait. We have to move now. Get your team. Give us a signal. Good luck.
Good luck to you, boys.
Need a howitzer, Corporal. Like right fucking now.
Get your ass there and destroy that tank.
Fire!
They are retreating! That was a good hand-to-hand fight. We have to regroup, gather any ammo and supplies we can, and move north to meet up with Shadow Squad. Come on, it's time to finish this.